if you're buying this, you're definitely not buying it to be an idiot like me. You're probably buying it because you're like making a movie or something really professional. From Neewer, we have the NL116AI soft light. And, well, I think I have the perfect use for it. At least I hope so. Alright, so I'm currently planning out the video for what is in this box, which is a racing sim. I've had this in my possession for some time. Neewer sent it in for me to do a review, and well, I thought maybe I'd figure out a way I could use it, but I never did until now. I need some type of an accent light in here. Now, I was thinking about actually getting one of the vertical ones that you kind of put that'll cast a light. The only other one I have is this thing here, and I typically use it behind my cars over here, and it casts a pretty nice color on the back wall. I typically use it for like a pink color. I'll show you. This is the color I really like to use. I think it gives a little bit of an extra dimension to my videos. In any case, I was like, I wish I had one I can use against this wall for my video, because clearly it's a little bare while I think about things to hang up on it. So I went onto Amazon and I'm looking at the lights and I'm thinking, hold up, maybe I can use that for this video. So that's what we're going to do in this video, is I'm going to open this up and find out if this does anything else besides white light, and if I'll be able to use it in this other video. So links will be in the description if you want to pick one of these up. So we're not doing any type of fancy unboxing in this video. We're just going to get the couch. I don't know if it does anything other than white light. I'm praying in the moment that it does multiple colors. I mean, this thing looks pretty advanced. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We got a color knob. So yeah, this is supposed to go on your super high productive or whatever camera, but I don't have one. I just use my phone. It looks like we actually have a little tripod. I've been sitting this product for a while trying to figure out how to make the video. The opportunity has not presented itself until now to open it. And I gotta say, I'm actually feeling kind of excited right now. You know, sometimes you just end up having exactly what you need right in front of your face, guys. So I'm actually really grateful in this moment. Let's flip this switch. We have, you can actually change the K. I still don't know if this is going to be colored, but it's not. It's really bright though. Oh, I wish it was colored. Back to the drawing board. That's unfortunate. Well, I'm sure I could probably make a use for this. So I guess it's just gonna end up being a very short video. I am so disappointed right now. It only lets you change the Kelvin of the white light. It's really bright. Let's go ahead and turn off all the lights so we can actually see how bright it is. Okay, it's not too bright, but it does put quite a bit of light out. I'm not looking at it with my eyes, only in the camera. Yeah, it does the trick. If you want to put it on top of your camera, and if you're a photographer or filmer, that's where this would go. So, okay guys, let's take a pause for a minute because, well, I'll be honest, I thought the video was over for a moment, but then I remembered this. So this also came along with it, which was basically the same thing. I really didn't know what to use this for. I'm not a professional studio guy. I just use my phone. I've always tried to keep it very simple. But I'm in need of a colored light right now, and I just remembered that, well, I have this, so we can make do with it. You've seen how the 116AI operates if you need something like that. I'd say this is worth your money. I haven't found a reason to use it yet, but I may actually, you know what? I'm gonna try to film my video with it. In my videos, I try not to be super sophisticated, right? I'm a pretty simple guy. I just hold my camera up and I make videos. When it comes to product reviews, I try to use the products in ways that I can actually incorporate into my channel, and that's why I've been struggling trying to figure out what to do with this light. I think that I'm going to film this whole video of the racing simulator cockpit using these lights. That's the only way I can think to do it. So yeah, I'm actually in this moment even more grateful than I was a moment ago because, well, I thought I was out of luck. But I am forgetting this has multiple colors. We're probably gonna have to go with blue. Alright, so I've just also realized I can't really use these colors. I mean, I could, but it's just a strange spotlight effect, but it also comes with these little things here. So I'm going to throw some of these on and see if we can get some type of a beam that actually works for this video. So I just have no idea. I'm liking the little arrow lightning bolt thing. So let's see if we could pop that on here and see what kind of magic we can make. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I don't know how useful all this is, but it's certainly more useful than just as a spotlight. And that's what this is, guys. This is a whole spotlight. So I really, really wish this one had some more colors on it, because I just can't think of what I'd use it for other than behind the camera. Because, well, realistically, like when you're making a video, you're not recording the camera. So I hope that makes sense. But what other ones we got here? By the way, this is the FL10W. Yeah, photography flashlight. I mean, these products work great, guys. If this is something you're looking for, I'm just not a lighting guy. I just try my best to make a video that's like able to be watched. I don't always put so much into production. Maybe that's a flaw of mine. I don't know. That's just not my style. You know what I mean? So sometimes when I get these products, I'm thinking that I could find better uses for them. And then when I don't find one, you know, I still want to make a video about it. But this is the result you get. So it's not your typical review, guys. Welcome to my channel. Okay, we got this interesting pattern. Let's see what that does. I think we just do really need to turn out the lights, though. Okay, that's kind of cool. I just don't know how to get it to do the effect I want on the wall. Okay, that's kind of cool. You know what? We're making progress here, guys. We are making progress. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and use this to get some light for my video. I mean, this thing looks cool. It looks cool. All right, guys. So it's pretty dark. We got my cool background going on here. It's something, right? We're gonna go ahead and use this now. I'm not a big fan of looking at lights, but I tell you what, that sure makes a difference for camera, does it not? It's pretty tricky for me to figure out how to make a video about a light, so I'm trying my best here. Unfortunately, for what I'm trying to do right now, I don't know if this is gonna work. I might try it in my video to see if I can get some better lighting. Let's try changing the warmth of it a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's lighting me up pretty nice. I think I'm supposed to put it above the camera. There we go. Yeah, these are two really cool products from Neewer. Unfortunately for me, they're probably not really something that I'm able to use in the way I'd like to. I think I'm probably better set up with some like ambient style lights. I think this would work great if I could just, you know, angle it up at the wall like this. But again, if you're buying this, you're definitely not buying it to be an idiot like me. You're probably buying it because you're like making a movie or something really professional. So for that sense, yes. If I was doing a traditional review, I'd actually probably put it on the table, and then I just don't know. This is the video that ended up coming out. So yeah, I also don't really like to accept a product and not actually make the video. So that's why we're doing this. I was hoping we had some color here that I could use. This guy here, it definitely would do the trick if I could figure out which one is the right cover. But let me just show you the colors it makes, because it also does red. Red might be cool. I just don't. I'm not a lighting professional. But this is honestly probably the best type of review if someone who's looking what these products are all about. They could see me as a total idiot trying to use them and get an idea if it's something that they want to get. The quality seems great on both of these. I mean, this thing is super heavy, it's super solid. Obviously, it's really bright, and the same pretty much goes for this thing here. And here's the white also. So let's see, if we were doing a product review on the spotlight and we needed to illuminate the light, you want to get your B-roll footage and you want it nicely lit, I'd say that it works just as advertised. Again, I said it about 5 times now. I am not a lighting expert, but I can tell you one thing. You're able to change the Kelvin, which is essentially the warmth of the light, all the way from 3200K to 5600K. I do believe like a standard light bulb is 4600K. This is like considered daylight. And obviously 56 is all the way up. More towards the other end, 3200K is much more warm. It is rechargeable. You can see that the battery is almost all the way up. And it is very, very bright. So we really want to get some bright. All right, before we sign out here, let's go through a couple of these just so you can see what they look like. And then, ooh, that one would be like a window effect. That might be cool. That one might also be cool. This is like a wider window. I'm not sure I'd want to use that one. I don't know what, that's just gonna pinpoint the light a bit more. Triangle, square, heart. Okay, that's interesting. Ooh, that might work, like for a sunset, kinda. It looks like a drain. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, hold up. Oh, that is way too bright. Hold on, we gotta do this like a professional YouTuber, guys. All right, ready? Do you see my channel name, ladies and gentlemen? My channel name is Mike's Hobby Planet, and we have a planet. Okay, I'm actually pumped for this. Ready? Oh, cool. We need total darkness for this bad boy. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. All right, so now I need to figure out how to make this work. Red. I just wish it was purple. Purple is what I need right now. And I'm going to show you why I need purple. Purple just looks so elegant. All right, tell me that doesn't look amazing. Something about purple and lighting, it is quite dark in here, so it's a little bit more of an effect than it normally is. So that being said, if this was able to be purple, that would be incredible. But as far as like a lighting source goes, this is actually pretty good. Here's the ironic part. I'm actually trying to figure out a way to put the out scene and or the thumbnail, but it's so dark over here. So I've accidentally figured out exactly what I could use this for. So yeah, guys, right here we have the NL116AI and the FL10 from Neewer. Two lighting sources. I don't know a lot about lighting. All I know is in the moment, this is working exactly as I need it. Unfortunately, what I need it for is to light up this shot. That's my best attempt at a lighting review, guys. If you came here for these products and you enjoyed this video, click subscribe. If you want to see more of this stuff, comment below. If you found this video absolutely ridiculous, comment below. That's it for the video, guys. Actually, I had a lot of fun making this, so I hope that translated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.